Hi, welcome to the podcast for When the Curves Line Up for January 25, 2024, featuring the Wolf Moon and bright planets. Please see the article that includes diagrams of today's events on the website at whenthecurveslineup.com. Text by Jeffrey L. Hunt. In Chicago, sunrise occurs at 7:10 a.m. Central Standard Time, followed by sunset at 4:57 p.m. Here is today's planet forecast. In the morning sky. An hour before sunrise, the bright wolf moon is over 10 degrees above the west-northwest horizon. The lunar orb is at the official full moon mark at 11:54 a.m. CST, when it is below the horizon in the western hemisphere. Look carefully for Pollux, 8.6 degrees to the lower right of the moon. The proximity of the moon may overwhelm the star and nearby Castor. To see the stars, block the moon with your hand as you would to shield your vision from the sun's glare. Venus is visible at this hour, but wait another 15 minutes to see it higher in the sky. This morning, the brilliant planet rises nearly 2 hours before sunup. Venus is that bright star in the southeast before sunrise. During morning twilight, it is over 10 degrees above the horizon. It easily outshines all other star-like bodies in the sky. Only the sun and moon are brighter. The brilliant planet is stepping eastward in front of Sagittarius. The constellation's brightest stars are about the brightness of those in the Big Dipper. Venus passes Cos Borealis, known as Lambda Sagittarii, in 3 mornings and Nunci, known as Sigma Sagittarii, on February 2nd. This morning, look for Cos Borealis with a binocular. It is 5.0 degrees to the lower left of Venus. Place Venus toward the upper right portion of the field of view. The star appears toward the lower left. Mercury retreats into brighter morning twilight. At 30 minutes before sunup, the speedy planet is over 5 degrees above the southeast horizon. Find it with a binocular. Mercury passes dimmer Mars in 2 mornings. This morning Mercury is 1.4 degrees to the upper right of the red planet. From an observing spot with an open horizon and an exceptionally clear sky, try to see Mars. This is a challenging observation. In the evening sky. An hour after sundown, the wolf moon is over 10 degrees above the east-northeast horizon. Pollux, over 15 degrees to the upper right of the lunar orb, and Castor are easier to see this evening with the moon farther away. The bright lunar disk is in the sky nearly all night, setting nearly an hour after sunrise tomorrow morning. This evening, Jupiter is high in the south, slightly west of the south cardinal direction. The Jovian giant is 11.1 degrees to the lower left of Hammel, Aries' brightest star, and 13.9 degrees to the upper right of Menkar. Through a telescope at 9:50 p.m. CST, Jupiter's great red spot is at the center of the planet in the southern hemisphere. The long-lived atmospheric disturbance appears at the eastern edge of the planet after 8 p.m. and departs about 11:40 p.m., when Jupiter is only about 10 degrees above the horizon from the American Midwest. At 1 hour after sundown, Saturn is over 15 degrees above the west-southwest horizon. The planet is lower in the sky each evening, setting 2 hours, 30 minutes after nightfall. This might be the last evening to easily see Fomalhaut, the mouth of the southern fish, less than 5 degrees above the southwest horizon and nearly 20 degrees to the lower left of Saturn. After its wide solar conjunction on March 3, it returns to the morning sky during mid-May. Thank you for listening. Please read the articles at whenthecurveslineup.com.